I'm good. How you feeling, Gennady? Feeling strong?
I feel great.
But how good is Gennady Golovkin in your opinion?
I think he's very special. I think as far as saying how great he can be, will display itself as he starts to meet some of the elite guys in his division or in that category. I believe that he has all the tools, everything it takes to be that superstar. So only that time will show itself when he goes before those challenges.
There you have it right here. Gennady Golovkin from the Summit in Big Bear. For ESNewsReport.com, I'm Mike Sekbak reporting. And you can follow me on Twitter @Sekbak.